Yeah, today I'm gonna do the unpacking of a big grinder. It's 2300 watts with the big blade. I needed to cut some iron. Today is just the unpacking. I'm gonna do a new movie after that with him to see him how it's working, if it's powerful and the rest. Okay. So he came in this box, and his original box, very pretty, nice advertising, very solid. Yeah, this is the grinder. So the protection of the blade, very easy to fit and to take out. So I think it's a blade. Yeah, it's a concrete blade. You can cut concrete with this thing. I don't need it, but it's good that it's here. Yeah, very big. It's heavy. That's good if it's heavy. Nice shape, clean, nice. I love it. Yep. Let's see what's inside more. This is to open the blade. I never seen this shape till now. And it's very long. That's good. It's not gonna be very hard to open the blade after you work with it. This is the handle. Yep. An instruction book. Let's see, I think should be some yeah, it's just an instruction book. I think it has one year warranty, so it should be everything fine. I'm not gonna use very much this grinder, so I just needed this thing very bad. It's not expensive. I think it's a good quality. I don't think it's gonna be any problem with him, but anyway, we'll see this thing how it's working in the next video. Cheerio, bye.